Hi everyone, this is Nadine, and on today's Minute we have Cafe Salva. I was craving for bingsu, so I decided to check that place out since I haven't tried it before. We originally wanted to try the green tea bingsu, but it was not available that day, so we settled on having the Indomie bingsu. If you've tried chocolate, then the peanut powder tastes like that, and I'm not complaining about it. It really tastes so good. We also tried the tteokbokki with additional mozzarella cheese. Overall, we had a good experience. I would love to come back to Cafe Salva to try the green tea bingsu and even the wine bingsu because it sounds so interesting, especially on a hot day.